In the last video, I did not have enough time to show you what the end result was, so no code in this tutorial video, let's just show you. So if you see this, or if you see perhaps this, or maybe you see something like this with a little red strip, either one of those, any one of those is okay because we still need to adjust a thing called the GL viewport size, right? We're dynamically resizing the canvas, but we're not dynamically resizing the size of the WebGL context, you could say. So we're going to fix that in a later tutorial. I just wanted to show you kind of what you should be expecting if you have been following along correctly. Now, if you are totally fucking lost right now and you want to start over because it's a lost fucking cause, well, you can go here. You can go here and check out the code for the video you are on right now. The code for the video you're on right now, you can start right here, and then you'll be ready to go. You'll be caught up to me when you go to the next tutorial. And anytime you get lost and you just want to fucking give up, you can just check out the snapshot, and then you'll be back up to speed with wherever the fuck I am. Since we have a little bit more time than usual, you have been on the fast tutorials. If you want the slower tutorials, you can go here. Like, subscribe, send me money in the mail.